Do you want to check how much of your Pi coin is available for trading? Not all mined Pi is immediately available for trade. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find your tradable Pi amount easily. First, open the Pi Network app on your phone. Then, tap on the Pi amount on top. This will take you to your Pi balance overview. Here, you will see unverified, transferable, and migrated amounts. However, none of these represent the tradable sum due to the lockup rate. That's why we need to access the wallet. Tap on View Wallet. Enter your passphrase or unlock the wallet using fingerprint authentication. Keep your passphrase private and secure. If part of your balance is still locked, you may need to complete the KYC, Know Your Customer, verification to access it. And here it is, your available balance. This is the amount you can use for trading on supported exchanges. Make sure to double-check your balance before making any transactions. And that's it. Now you know how to check your tradable Pi amount. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.